Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. So it is officially moving day. We really didn't get to sleep last night. That's when I was up last night. Packing up and stuff. But I don't know. We have to do what we have to do. Right? So tired. So right now, guys, taking Malia today home and Malika to school. Say, right now, guys, we're taking Malika to school and Malia today home. That's 2 less luggage to think about today. Come along, guys. Come along, guys. We're so excited. We are over the moon, but moving is never fun. But we're gonna have to do what we're gonna have to do. I ended up paying for a moving company that charged per hour. So we packed up everything. So hopefully it takes them 2 hour stops. So, you know, load and offload. So we're just gonna drop off the kids quickly and come back home. Marvel is there, that's my brother. My sister-in-law is there. So we should have a lot of hands if they allow us to help. Probably then try to stretch out the time, we know them time. But I don't know. Special like this video. See you guys on the road. Okay guys, before we reach the Malika school, we have to make a quick stop at the co-op. Who can guess what I'm gonna be buying? Yes, that's right. Pediasure. We're a little bit light on Pediasure because I'm not gonna get enough time to buy it today. Other than right now, just gonna run in and grab 1 pack. Co-op is expensive, so I'm only gonna grab 1 pack. This is just for school today. Remember guys, if you guys want to bless us for our housewarming, there is a registry that's created. You guys can send some love. Greatly appreciate it, guys. The link is right in the description below. Go, mommy.
I have the teddy.
Mommy has the teddy.
I have the teddy. Here.
You're gonna have a good day, Malia? Do a little load, babes.
Yeah,
I just...
But then sometimes I'm walking it.
Late today.
Yeah.
What's wrong? Someone calling her.
Bye, Malia.
Bye.
Bye. Alright, guys, the sun is just coming up in the morning. It's now 8:35. Going back home now, guys. To move. So excited. Today's the day, guys. We're officially moving into our home. Never thought this day would have come, guys. Especially so soon. Honestly, anything is possible, guys.
Anything is possible.
Anything is possible. Believe what we tell you guys that anything in this life is possible. Just remain humble, remain patient, and guard your energy.
Oh my gosh.
Be intentional with who you're letting in space. Be intentional with who you share your plans with.
Yep.
And just work. Right? 100%. Now, everybody who achieved this before, enough respect. I know you guys have to work really hard to get it. Everybody who been wanting it and not come true yet, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Believe that it's coming. But it's so important to remain positive. It's so important to remain humble. Very important, guys. Right? So we are here going back home. Feeling very hungry.
I'm tired.
And tired. And broke. As Nasa said in the previous video, when you buy a house, your bank account say, well, go ahead. So again, if you guys feel like to bless us in any small way, we appreciate it. But even if you can't afford anything, that's okay. Just smash a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment and share the video, right? All of those things help us out as well. So you can do that, that's free. And that goes a long way as well. But if you feel led to buy us something as well from the registry, the link will be in the description right down below. Greatly appreciated. See you guys on the other side. Guys, so we just stopped at Tim Hortons. I just got 2 hot chocolate and a sandwich. But something very interesting happened just now. I should have got it on camera, but it's after the fact we thought about it. Guess what happened, guys? Card not decline. So we've been doing so much spending on this particular card, but you know what? There should be money on it, so you know we just have to spend. The man load me up. I sir, card is declined. Guys, we are, what do you call it?
Having a cash flow problem.
We're having a cash flow problem right now, guys. We're having a cash flow problem right now, so you know I don't better like the video. I have when they were driving in. You feel like, oh my god. Well, I'm just dealing with them big stuff and them. That's how soon with the next. Bro, check up this. Wow,
I don't want to go on the track. I want to go to playground.
Yes, guys, so this is a moving truck. As I said, I had to hire a moving truck because we have so many stuff moving and I really didn't feel like lifting much stuff today, so I just decided to get a moving company to just help us out today. I'll do a video updating you guys on all of these costs and prices, and look at that, man, so cold today. I'll do a video updating you guys on all of these prices and just the processes in general, so you guys can have an idea. Alright guys, this is a view from our bedroom window. Really excited.
Why are you excited?
Because I'm so excited this one.
You like the house?
Oh, yes, I do.
Oh, is that her? No.
So the people them on the channel been asking, Russia.
Yes.
So the people them on the channel been asking, where are you guys?
Why you do that?
A white car. I'm moving there, man. Everybody hungry.
Oh, we're there.
How everything are going?
Good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about the place?
Nice, I love it.
Yeah. Yeah, babe. So you're sitting on your stairs, all moved in, tired like dog. Well, that's a foreman work, not the supervisor work.
Best job.
What do you mean best job? So, we still have a few more stuff to move over, but at least the heavy stuff are in. Rachel, what do you think about the place?
I love it. I didn't know my favorite part.
What, the attic? The
I
backyard?
don't need to tell you.
The backyard?
Yeah, and the kitchen.
And the kitchen.
Yeah.
Bro, the people I'm gonna ask for you from what day, you know. Everything good?
Yeah man, everything good with the air.
There.
I've gone anywhere. I've been just in the background.
That is it, that is it. So what do you think about the place?
Well, you know, firstly, as everybody's saying, congratulations. Officially a homeowner.
Officially. Officially.
Yeah. How does it feel?
To be honest, we still kinda come to terms. While we wait for the landlord to call me still. But technically I'm not some landlord. That's right.
So maybe you soon be a landlord.
Me hopefully.
Yeah, you soon be a landlord.
What do you guys say? Hopefully, no, it will happen. What are you talking about?
That is it.
Yeah.
That is it. So you say you like his spot?
Yeah.
Good investment?
And especially, I like, say, you get a space with a backyard with it, so the kids them can have a lot of fun. Playing together when they run down.
And so we can
Especially
boy.
this one.
Before the snow take it over.
Which is any day now. So you guys looking forward to shoveling snow?
Well,
Most of all, we're looking forward to summer.
Not Russian is just on the ground, lounging. Yeah.
Looking forward to summer.
to summer.
Yes.
Not looking forward to shoveling snow that is coming before summer.
Yeah, well, we can do that too.
Can do
you know
that
what I
too.
mean? We have to get in the frame of mind to shovel snow. So
Yeah.
yes, so we have to prepare ourselves.
So that means
So-
them alone are shovel snow. We not.
No, man.
Yeah, well, I do it.
Now me get me used to it, me deal with it. Outside so bright.
We have to go and get our practice though.
Close the door, sorry. Thank you. So you say you're looking forward to summer, Russia. Why?
Yeah, because I'm looking forward to the outdoor life, you know, and the backyard mainly. Doing some gardening.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, man.
Planting some food.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Exactly, Kai. No, I'm not up on the horticulturist thing, you know, so you have to go
Don't
deal
worry
with that.
yourself, man. The only thing is that my raised bed they make shit. And I have to get proper raised bed. So,
Time I forget, man.
yeah, man. Once.
Was it in the car?
Yeah.
You say it's still there. You need to apologize to me.
I'm sorry. So, once you get the
Did she accuse you?
Yeah, you don't know who this man.
once you get the raised bed, right? All line on to. That's it. The
That's
dirt
it.
can put in, everything else can go in. And
Well-
then now, I will plant, I will sow, I'll plant.
There is your gardening lessons for the day.
So we can get a raised bed to purchase.
Yeah.
No.
Or you can get to
the
purchase or make.
material. Well, yeah. You can put it on, but
As soon as winter done and it turns spring, all of the winter material gone out of the store and all of the gardening and stuff moving. So your seeds, your dirt, your raised beds, all of them things you can get. Promise you.
Okay, so that's nice. The raised beds are ready made.
Yeah, but it probably not be to your liking.
no, but I wouldn't suggest.
What's this?
I wouldn't suggest a ready-made raised bed
Mm-hmm.
based on how because you'd want the raised bed at the back, near to the fence, right?
Shall watch out the neighbor raised bed at that shadow.
No, but you need to have you need as much space as you can in your backyard too.
That
so
is
you
true.
don't want to put the raised bed in your way.
Yeah.
So,
So like what kind of summer stuff them we can expect every plant?
alright, definitely my number one crop is pak choy because our bok choy, because you know that it's a quick turnover.
Okay.
3 weeks, 4 weeks max. Cabbage takes a little bit longer, but I love them. Carrot, beetroot. So
Okay.
please, me don't want you buy them something. Once we start plant them and we start get it organic, you know, if you go buy none of them.
Alright.
Purple cabbage, tomato,
Yeah,
sweet peppers. I can put some onions in the soil too.
that is it.
Yeah, scallion, of course.
Bro, you remember when our dad last sleep on one bed as a youth?
Yeah, I remember.
Remember them days, eh?
Those are memories.
Who would have thought say you would have there saying? They never think we would there, though. What you do to the haters them, Rochelle? Tell me. What you do to the haters them? Why not try to shy?
What are you talking about? We pray for haters them. What else can you do?
Yeah, we're far forward from all this I wanna run us, sir. This I wanna never have whole high school have not even like no there yard. Never walked out of there yard. Yeah?
Still I pinch myself.
Somehow, sir. That is it, man.
I tell you, a few months from this, it's gonna feel normal and it's gonna feel like, and then now on to the next, and yes. So that's how it did feel for me. Every milestone, wow, okay, pinch yourself, whatever, and then afterwards it's just getting normal, and
Yeah.
then you're looking forward to do more.
No, but for us, even though it's gonna be normal, cause here will we still. Like once you achieve something, you're automatically looking forward to the other thing. But for us, we constantly demonstrate an attitude of gratitude. So we always, look back and appreciate where we are because, especially like just coming to Canada, not knowing how it's gonna turn out, fearful, and like when we come and have support. We did it as a boof, drop boof. I saw going to Jamaica.
But while we understand that, but while we're forever grateful to and we express gratitude, but in a different way.
Yeah.
We might know, style, especially Marvel. And we say, oh yeah, man, I like it. But yeah, say that's
I'm sorry, guys. I just don't know how to do over the top.
Over the top
No,
what?
he doesn't
no, he has to express his feelings.
Yes.
Yeah.
So he does it in different ways.
Yes,
So
Man.
so probably inside now everything a bubble up and
I think Marvel's love language is act of service.
yes.
yes.
And probably just do things and just say, oh, that's his way of showing love. Act of service. Yeah, but for me, words of affirmation and physical touch.
So, yeah, and that's me. You may not know. All right, I'll appreciate someone too, and I appreciate what someone do for me. But you will see me I do things in return.
Yeah.
That's how me do it. You might not. I'll say things, but me not too good with words like that. But me we just do things. Constantly do things for a person.
That is it.
That's all I am.
Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We are officially moved in. We have so much work to do. There's furniture and stuff all over the place. It's a little sneak peek. Furniture and stuff all over the place. So we still have some tidying up to do, but all in all, we're moved in. We're sleeping over here tonight. Yeah.
Yes.
Congratulations, babes.
Thank you, babes. Congratulations to you too.
Guys, if you're watching this video and not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, drop a comment, check out the registry. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.